In front of me is ZTE A73 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, use this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Files to add an audio one. Now you can look for it over here by accessing one of those apps, clicking on Audio at the top, or tapping on those three lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. Wherever you decided after finding your file, just hold it and click on Select to attach it. If you want to add a video one, click on Gallery section instead. If your video is recent, click on it right away. And decide if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video. Wherever you decided, click on Add at the bottom right corner. If your video is not recent, click on Folders and look for it the same way as an audio file. Then hit Select at the top right corner. Lastly, pick one of those options and this time select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!